Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to fold the Origami Human Skull, my latest design. I'm going to be showing you how to do this variant. There's several ways to do it, but this one I think I'll go with. So I'm going to start with what I believe is a 17 centimeter square paper. We're going to start colored side up, and we're going to make some diagonal folds. If you're a first-time folder, don't hesitate to pause the video and back it up at any time. That's the beauty of having it on YouTube, is you can really do as much as you want with it. Okay, now we're going to fold the sides into the center here. If you've done much of my origami, you'll notice that I start a lot of my designs out with a fish base, which is what we're working on. And the reason I'm using blue is it just shows the colors and the creases better. Black is what you would probably want to use for doing the human skull design, but it doesn't really show the creases well. Okay, take the top point and bring it down to the center and just make what's called a little mark fold. And now bring the bottom point up to that mark fold and crease it right there, just in between these two creases. Now take the top point, and what you're going to do is you're going to use these as a guide here and pull it down as far as you can. Just like that. Okay? Unfold it and fold the paper like this, collapsing on creases we made earlier here, and that'll make the fish base. Okay, so now you'll see these two creases intersecting here. What we're going to do is we're going to start a fold right there, and then we're going to turn it over, line it up, and crease it. Okay? Now you're going to take the paper here and you're going to make a fold where there's this crease and this edge. You're going to fold it right about in the middle. So bring it down and try and get it in the middle if you can. Now bring it back up and fold it up to this mark here. There's a mark in the paper. You can see it right there. And crease the paper well. Okay. Just want to make sure I'm getting everything right. Okay. Now we're going to make a crease from here to here. It's going to be a valley fold like that. Do the same thing on the other side. And then pull the paper down and squash it flat. Okay. Now we're going to turn the model over and we're going to do what's called kind of a swivel, so the paper's like that. Now fold it down. We're going to fold it down to where there's a crease already in line with it here. Okay, Now take the paper and you're going to fold it back up right in line, and it's going to be like that. Not really, it's kind of a little bit of an arbitrary one, but about midway. Okay, now fold it back down in line with this crease here. We're just going to be doing a lot of back and forth. Okay. Okay, now the next step is we're going to work on the eyes. So I'm just going to make a little bit of a mark here, that way you can see where the end of this starts. And there's a crease intersection right here. What we're going to do is we're going to start a fold about 1/3 of the way up from there. So about like that. Okay, now do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now take one of these points and start a crease right at the top, bring it over, and line it up with a crease right here. Let's see it. So it'll look like that. Okay, do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now you're going to squash fold these flaps here. So just open them up. Okay, now take the points and fold them up right to the edges of the paper like this. Okay? Okay, and then we're going to actually fold it back down and just fold this point just a little bit up like that. We're shaping the eyes right now. Okay, and then do a little reverse fold on the side here. Okay, now we're going to take the top point and we're going to fold it right along these two creases here. We're going to valley fold. We're going to valley fold it, and then we're going to tuck it in where the eyes are. Okay, now you're going to take the point up, and you're going to kind of fold it if there's an imaginary line between the eyes. Right along, the point's going to go right about there. Okay. Now we're working on the nose, so open it up. This part's a little tricky. We're gonna make a squash fold. So you have to get it. So squash fold it, and then you're going to fold it back up part way. that looks a little better. Okay, now we're going to work on the mouth here. So start crease going through this bottom point here. And start one on this side. And then we're going to turn it over and we're going to continue that. Make a squash fold. Narrowing the mouth. Okay. So you're just trying to get this somewhat narrowed. Okay. Next, you're going to take this side here and you're going to valley fold it over. Sorry, mountain fold, excuse me. And this one is kind of arbitrary. It's just whatever you want. I like to leave something like that. Whatever you do, try and make it asymmetrical. That means fold it the same way you did on both sides. Okay. Now just fold a little bit over here. And then I like to just fold a little bit along the jawline. Now, just a little bit on the chin, make it a little rounded. Okay, and the model is done. So that's your origami human skull. You can shape it slightly differently. There's many ways you can do it. So I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon. Okay, bye bye.